Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Insureon to compare commercial auto quotes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. Type Insureon in the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Insureon website from the search results. Once on the home page, look for the Get a Quote button. Click on the Get a Quote button to begin the process. You will be prompted to enter your business information. Fill in details such as your business name, type, and location. Next, provide information about your vehicle, including make, model, and year. Indicate how the vehicle is primarily used. Select the number of drivers and their details. Once all information is entered, click Continue to proceed. You may be asked to provide additional details about your business operations. Complete any financial or operational questions that pop up. After submitting all required information, you will see the comparison of quotes. Review the auto insurance options that appear on your screen. Take note of coverage types and premium costs for each quote. If necessary, you can filter results by coverage or price. When you find a suitable option, click on it for more details. Read through the coverage details carefully to ensure it meets your needs. If you're ready to proceed, you can start the application process through Insureon. Follow the prompts to complete your application. After submitting your application, wait for the insurer to review it. You will receive notifications regarding your quote status via email. Once approved, you can finalize your purchase through their platform. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Insureon to compare commercial auto quotes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.